Hello students, we have already seen how to solve two linear simultaneous equations. Now we have seen different methods for that. One was the substitution and another was the elimination. Today we'll consider one linear equation and another quadratic equation and we'll see how to solve them simultaneously. So take a problem here. So 3x plus y is equal to 9 and second equation is x square plus xy is equal to 10. Now as you can see here, the first equation is a linear equation and the second is a quadratic equation. So whenever you solve such two equations simultaneously, you will always use the substitution method. First, you'll always consider the linear equation, and from the linear equation, you'll either express x in terms of y or y in terms of x. Now, in this case, as you can see, in the linear equation, the y coefficient is 1. So, I will express y in terms of x. That means from 1, I can say y is equal to 9 minus 3x. So I expressed y in terms of x. So I will substitute this. Substituting in equation 2 for y, I will get x square plus x into y, that is 9 minus 3x is equal to 10. So what I have done is, I express first y in terms of x from equation 1 and that y I substituted in the equation 2. So simplify this, you will get x square plus, open this bracket, so x into 9, 9x minus x into 3x, 3x square is equal to 10. Now let us get this quadratic equation in the standard form. So x square minus 3x square, that is minus 2x square plus 9x and take 10 on the other side. So minus 10 is equal to 0. So x square minus 3x square, that is minus 2x square plus 9x, and I have taken 3 on the other side. So minus 10 equal to 0. Now I will change the sign throughout and make x square coefficient positive. So I will get 2x square minus 9x plus 10 equal to 0. So I got the quadratic equation in the standard form. So I will factorize it now. Now here x square has coefficient 2 and the constant is 10. And we have already seen whenever x square has got some coefficient, first multiplied by the constant. So 2 into 10 is 20. Now, since the sign of the constant is plus, factorize 20 in such a way that the sum is 9. Because the sign of the constant is plus, I will consider the sum of the factors. So I will find out two numbers in such a way that the product is 20 and the sum is 9, and that is 5 and 4. And since I want negative 9, I'll give the sign minus 5 and minus 4. So 2x square minus 9x, split it up as minus 5x minus 4x plus 10 equal to 0. Now group the terms. Group the first two terms. Take here x common, so you'll get 2x minus 5. Now from the third term, take a negative sign out, and from 4x and 10, take 2 out. So that is 2x minus 5. So 2x minus 5 and x minus 2. These are the two factors. Now equate each factor to 0. So you'll get 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So 2x is 5, or x is 5 upon 2. Now x is equal to 5 upon 2. Put it in y. Already we have expressed y in terms of x. Use that equation. So y is equal to 9 minus 3x. So put x here. So 9 minus 3 into 5 upon 2. So if you find this is 9 minus 15 upon 2, which will come out to be 3 upon 2. So one solution is when x is 5 upon 2, y is 3 upon 2. Or equate the other factor to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0, which gives x is equal to 2. So y will be 9 minus 3 into, for x you put 2. So that is 9 minus 6, that is 3. Which means when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. So this is how you will solve one linear equation with a quadratic equation simultaneously. So your steps will be always consider the linear equation first. So whichever convenient, either express x in terms of y or y in terms of x. And for that, preferably take the term whose coefficient is 1. So like in this case, y coefficient is 1. So I expressed y in terms of x. That I substituted in the quadratic equation and got a quadratic equation only in x, which is easily factorizable. Get the two factors. Already I expressed y in terms of x. So whatever values of x you are getting, put it in that y in terms of x and get y.